Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. We never left out this book. Here it is, Caribbean Cuisine Cooking Book, guys. It's amazing to have it in your kitchen. If you didn't get a copy, you need to get your copy. Look at it. Brilliant. Fantastic. The book published last year. And to be honest, we sell roughly 5,000 copies worldwide. And the book is going on really good. Without you wouldn't go anywhere. But remember, the book did publish, and it was just a benefit for my daughter. I dedicate the book for my daughter, as I said. And as I said, my video is not for me, it's for my daughter. Anyone brought the book, everything goes for my daughter. Alright, she's my young, but she don't understand what's going on. But the book was dedicated. You have to read it, you know what I mean? You have to buy the book to see what inside of the book. Remember, I got the volume 2 coming up. I might have a storybook coming out very soon. You never know, there's so much things coming up, guys, you know what I mean? Oh, you know what I mean? All things just, you know what I mean, change, you know what I mean? No matter what happened, I got a little short story which I want to share with some of you guys about, you know what I mean, my life and how things just work out the right and proper way. Anyone can, you know, it can happen to Chef Ricardo, it can happen to anyone, it can happen to this. But anyway, we are talking about the cooking book. It's a brilliant cooking book, and hopefully you will get your copy. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more recipe coming out for you guys. Yes, we got a lot more recipe, and this is from Chef Ricardo. You get your copy. You know what I mean? You can buy it this Valentine, wrap it into a present also. Someone might love to cook some Caribbean food. Here it is. Different kind of recipe, different kind of stuff inside of the book, and the book is brilliant. And it's on Amazon, and I will put the link below where you can get the book to buy and share it with a friend. Thank you so much for your support and for your time watching my video, Chef Ricardo. Thanks so much.